This is a quick video just to show a couple of things that I'm experimenting with. I put in a small garden right underneath a tree, and I'm doing this because where I live, it's extremely hot during the summer and we have intense heat. So, of course, right now it's not summer, and so this is thriving, but this is just the beginning here. So I've done a couple of things. One is I've put this garden, a couple of beds right underneath a tree, and so it gets the morning sun and all the way up until about noon. And I've also planted it very intensively, so you can see that there's no soil showing. I have Chinese cabbages, Napa cabbages, broccoli, um, in there, and then I have some radishes and some cilantro kind of intermixed. So you have kind of this living mulch, which is protecting the soil, keeping it cool and moist. And so far, it's doing very well. And so I'm going to continue this experiment through the summer and see what happens. Uh, in this area, because of the extreme heat during the summer, um, pretty much everything goes south during the hot months. So I'm really excited if this works, that we have a new method to grow more productively. So that's it, growing under a tree, and in particular, growing biointensively as well. And we'll see. I will hope to have another video during the summer to see the results.